Good morning. Let's try to do some vlogging on the GoPro Hero 9 Black with the media mode. So I'm using both the light mod and the media mode, and hopefully this will work out well. So today it's Sunday. It's fairly early. It's 6 a.m. and I'm heading to Stockholm for a boat practice, it's called. I already got the inshore yacht master diploma, and now it's time to do some practice as well to get to the next step. Oh, look over there. That's a lovely cherry blossom tree. So heading for the car, my Renault Zoe. Then we will go the scenic route to Stockholm to have some breakfast at McDonald's. Yes, I'm holding the GoPro Hero 9 with on a little stick and walking just as I usually do. I'm using it in the 4K linear mode. Hope that will be good enough. There we go. Ready to go to McDonald's to have some breakfast. Okay, now I just had breakfast here at at McDonald's, Stora Väsby or Upplands Väsby, which is a normal rest area along the E4.
Please say or select to command.
Navigation.
Navigation. Please say or select to command from the displayed list.
Go to.
Go to. Please say the address.
Stockholmsvägen 34, Stocksund.
Showing matching locations. Please say or select an item number from the displayed list.
Oh my goodness, can you see that? That's a giant rat over there. That's a rat.
Please wait or audio to see more commands for each category. Additional commands are
Navigation.
Navigation. Please say or select a command from the displayed list.
Go to.
Go to. Please say the address.
Dyviks fabriksväg, Åkersberga.
Dyviks fabriksväg, Åkersberga. Please say the house number, the name of an intersecting street, or say no house number.
No house number.
No house number. Calculate route, adjust location, or change address.
Calculate route.
Calculating route.
Nice! Boat practice done. So now I'm heading to Dyvik Marina. Will you be quiet?
Starting normal recording.
There we go. Boat practice done. So now I got a diploma in handling a boat in practice. So heading for Dyvik Marina. Nice, the Dyvik Marina. Now we're here, going to have some lunch, hopefully, if it's available. Look at the boats and things like that. Ah, there we go. Now we're ready to do some videos. So that's the Silver Hawk. That's the Silver Eel. which is the one I'm renting this summer. So, that's the silver Eagle, the one that I'm renting this summer. Nice, so let's head back home to Uppsala again and prepare this video.